307 million subscribers. That's how many followers MrBeast, the YouTube sensation known for his elaborate giveaways and philanthropic stunts, amassed before everything began to unravel. Welcome back, I'm Dan. Today we look back at the 2024 crisis that forever changed the MrBeast brand and the alleged misconduct that shook an empire we once thought was too big to fail. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of celebrity scandals. In the summer of 2024, MrBeast seemed untouchable. He had just become the first YouTuber to hit an astonishing 300 million subscribers, celebrated for his charitable endeavors and viral content. From cleaning up oceans to giving away millions in cash, MrBeast cultivated an image of generosity and positivity. But behind the scenes, a different story was brewing, one that would soon threaten to implode everything he had built. The catalyst for MrBeast's downfall can be traced back to the controversial production of his Amazon original series, Beast Games. Allegations began to surface when longtime collaborator Ava Kris Tyson announced her departure from the company after being accused of sending inappropriate messages to a minor. Tyson described the accusations as bad, edgy humor, but the damage was done. Her exit opened the floodgates for scrutiny, leading to claims of a toxic workplace environment at MrBeast HQ. As the allegations mounted, MrBeast's production team faced accusations of negligence during the filming of Beast Games. Contestants reported being denied basic needs, including food and necessary medications, leading to serious health issues. Some even required hospitalization. Reports indicated that contestants were subjected to extreme conditions, with one insider revealing that 5 individuals were treated at a local hospital due to lack of food and water. The show, which promised a $5 million cash prize, quickly became a nightmare for those involved. In response to the growing backlash, MrBeast announced an internal investigation expressing his commitment to improving working conditions within his company. He outlined a plan to hire new executives, including a chief human resources officer, and implement mandatory training on safety and diversity. But many questioned whether these measures were sufficient to address the alleged misconduct and the toxic culture that had taken root. Critics began to wonder if MrBeast's image as a benevolent creator was merely a facade. The fallout from these allegations was swift and brutal. Former employee Dogpack404 unleashed a barrage of accusations against MrBeast, claiming that he faked giveaways and manipulated video outcomes to maintain his brand's image. In a lengthy video, Dogpack404 described MrBeast as a sociopath, asserting that the persona he cultivated was purely a marketing strategy. This public attack raised serious doubts about the authenticity of MrBeast's philanthropic efforts, causing many fans to question the integrity of the man they once idolized. As the scandal deepened, more allegations surfaced. Reports of sexual misconduct within the company began to emerge, with Dogpack404 alleging that MrBeast defended individuals accused of harassment. This included claims that Lokoya Hill, a former employee accused of sexual harassment, was rehired despite her past. Another allegation suggested that James Warren, another team member, had assaulted a female employee who subsequently left the company with a hefty severance package. Anonymous sources described a toxic work environment where female employees felt unsafe, fearing retaliation if they spoke out. The damage to MrBeast's reputation was palpable. As the controversy unfolded, his YouTube channel experienced a significant drop in subscribers, with fans expressing disillusionment over his alleged misconduct. Even as MrBeast continued to post videos that racked up millions of views, the undercurrent of criticism threatened to erode the foundation of his empire. The once beloved creator now faced a public relations nightmare, struggling to maintain his nice guy image amidst a storm of allegations. Despite the turmoil, MrBeast attempted to address the situation head-on. In a tell-all interview, he acknowledged the internal investigation and the need for change within his organization. He stated, "I started educating myself and have been bringing in new leaders to help ensure this kind of stuff doesn't happen." However, many remain skeptical of his sincerity, questioning whether his efforts were genuine or merely a desperate attempt to salvage his reputation. As if the situation couldn't get worse, MrBeast found himself at the center of legal troubles as well. He hinted at the possibility of suing Dogpack 404 for defamation, claiming that the former employee's videos had caused significant harm to his business. The notion of a lawsuit only added fuel to the fire, with critics arguing that it was an attempt to silence dissent rather than address the underlying issues plaguing his company. The fallout from these events extended beyond just MrBeast. His brand, which once symbolized hope and generosity, became synonymous with controversy and misconduct. As allegations continued to pile up, many wondered if MrBeast could ever regain the trust of his audience. The reality was stark. The empire he built on philanthropy was teetering on the brink of collapse. In the weeks that followed, MrBeast's team scrambled to manage the crisis. They issued statements claiming that the controversy surrounding Beast Games was exacerbated by external factors, including a global CrowdStrike outage and extreme weather conditions. Yet these excuses did little to quell the outrage. Fans and critics alike were left questioning the integrity of the production and the values that MrBeast purported to uphold. While MrBeast's viewership numbers remained high, the cracks in his empire were becoming increasingly visible. As his team worked to navigate the fallout, the specter of ongoing allegations loomed large. The question remained, could MrBeast spin his way out of this crisis, or was the damage irrevocable? As we reflect on the rapid rise and potential fall of MrBeast, one thing is clear: the world of online fame is a double-edged sword. For every viral success story, there lies the potential for devastating consequences. MrBeast's journey serves as a cautionary tale about the fragility of reputation and the dangers of unchecked power. I'm Dan. If you found this investigation intriguing, please consider subscribing for more deep dives into celebrity stories and untold Hollywood scandals. Thank you for watching.